Assalamualaikum everyone. The second order that I have placed for my baby is from ELO, which is export leftovers, and they have written a cute message in the package, which is greetings. Thank you so much for your order. We hope you are thrilled to receive your order as we were to send it to you. If anything isn't as it should be, you can count on us to make it right. We love having you as a customer. Wow, that's really amazing. The package is for rupees 3008, and best thing is their products are of export quality and yet reasonable. Well, the they have given this product exchange and return form as promised inside as well. The first thing is this baby carrier pouch, carrier bag of gray and blue color, which is basically for baby's father to carry the baby when we will be going for a walk in the evening or anything like that. This is super comfy actually, and it is for rupees 2245 from the brand. The brand name is, I guess, Exinta for baby, and Exinta for baby is also has this cute pouch for carrying the baby essentials alongside if you are not willing to carry anything else. So overall I'm liking the quality, and this looks really adorable. So yeah, looking forward to use it. The second product is from baby's mama, which are these canvas loafers having cute kisses on them, and these seem super comfy. These are for almost rupees 800, so yeah, super affordable as well. Well, next package is from the Rusted PK, which are these trousers from Carter's Blue Fly in rupees 2000 almost. And these were the last set of trousers in the shop, and I'm liking the quality so far. The packaging is good, these look adorable, colors are super cute, and the Carter's Blue Fly are basically everyday pants for baby to wear with different kind of rompers. The first trouser is in orange color with this cute veil, and next is this blue lining trouser. Well, let me just pack these alongside so that I won't have to worry afterwards. Let me just roll them as they were packaged earlier. Third is this cute yellow color trouser with the hippo shape, and I would love to see these shapes on the bum of my baby. Fourth is the plain blue trouser, and it's not needed to open it. And the last one is with this elephant graphic in greenish gray color with blue colored elephant and a soccer ball ear. Next package is for rupees 673, which is basically a baby changing sheet from Farlin, and Farlin is an authentic baby brand, and I'm liking it, how neatly it is packed and how cautions are mentioned over it. So yeah, it's really good as far as the packaging is concerned, and I'm not really gonna open it until I will use it. And other package afterwards which I'm gonna open is for rupees 650, which is basically this feeding bib. Well, no doubt it's too early to buy it, but it was totally out of excitement, and I would say that compulsive shopping. But obviously baby will eventually use it once he'll be around 4 to 6 months old and start weaning. The last package is of rupees 1374, which is a second diaper changing sheet. It is basically a diaper changing pouch which will be easy to carry in the baby diaper bag whenever I'll be on the go. The diapers will be carried easily, and I'm also loving its packaging as well. It's really packaged good, and I like it how the warning is displayed that plastic bags can be dangerous, so just keep them away from your baby. Oh my goodness, bag the stuff is really extremely soft. I'm liking it so far. The color is exactly as shown in the picture, the design is up to the mark, and well, the inside green is also good. I'm liking this pouch so far. Well, the diapers will obviously go in the side pouch, and baby will be easy to handle on this super comfy cloth. So I'm really liking this purchase so far. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you all like my purchases, and I think all the new mummies are having great ideas from my purchases as well. Take care, Allah Hafiz.